Hi, my name is Luke. At the Barcode Factory, we have the resources and knowledge that is trusted by thousands of municipalities nationwide. As a Zebra Premier business partner, we provide the mobile computers, printers, software tools, and citation paper, allowing you to print on the go and streamline your citation process. However you do e-citation, make sure you do it faster and more effectively with the Barcode Factory and Zebra. An example of a common setup used for foot patrols would be pairing a Zebra ZQ521 mobile printer with either a Zebra TC58 or an ultra-rugged Zebra TC78. This solution will reduce errors commonly found in handwritten citations, including issues with poor handwriting and data entry mistakes. Thanks to database autofill information, officers are able to issue citations quickly and accurately. Less time doing paperwork also means less time on the side of the road, which improves officer safety. With the ability to instantly send citations to the courthouse, the administrative work related to processing and storing of paper documents is also reduced. At the Barcode Factory, we know Zebra devices and we know e-citation. Contact our team today to get started with the solution.